Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain introduction to Python programming. Overall want to study Python programming, it will be helpful for them for freshers. Overall don't know what is Python, so just start learn from my thumbnail itself. If you have any doubt in that, comment me in the comment section. You can see the course detail, which company is hiring partner with Google means Catty is a hiring partner for Google. So they are both joined club together and they start the introduction of Python programming. They are going to explain clearly for freshers, for beginner students. The module will be 5 modules they are producing. Courses will be 25 hours, beginner and absolutely free course. If you study this course, it will be helpful for your CV and a resume and a LinkedIn poster. If you visit this course, it will automatically go to here, Introduction to Python Programming. Just want to start the course. Approximately it takes 5 weeks and it will be skill level will be beginner. Join the path of greatness. After finish the course, you may go to learn here means it will automatically go to become a data analyst. It is also free course. It will be valid up to 2 days only. After finish, you may click here and you just finish SQL. These are all the courses which are provided 4 month free courses for fresher student who are all finished introduction to Python. So don't miss kind of opportunity introduction. Everything will be free. No charges for this courses and all. Absolutely, it will be valid up to 7 days only. So don't miss this guys. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Start studying Python introduction from Witkati. Both data analyst and Python both club together. It will be helpful for you in future and in your resume itself. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.